Hey guys, it's Big Josh here, and today I am going to open up a mystery box. And this mystery box, I got it from the company PopTopia, and they had a mystery box like thing. They're doing the mystery boxes. Each mystery box was $9.99. And it was a ultimate September mystery box. So each one was $9.99 for one mystery pop or one Funko Pop. And I bought three of them, and there were 1,000 of them in it. Yeah, 1,000. And the biggest grail, the top one was this 80-piece Luke Skywalker, the gold. See it? And there were some other ones. There was a Batman one, a Super Saiyan Brawly, some other ones, some minor ones. But the main one is that Luke Skywalker, and that is what I want. I want to go for that. Okay? We're gonna go for it. So, yeah, I got it. I don't know. I just never had a mystery box. This is like my first one. So hopefully I get something really, really good, and hopefully, if I get this really, really good one, maybe I might order some more and keep going. All right, so let's get into this box. Okay, so yeah, like I said, I've never opened a mystery box. Funko Pops, I started collecting them recently, and I just want to get more. I mean, of course I want like specific ones, like anime ones, or like, since I have a couple Batman ones, I like DC a lot. Some Marvel ones, those are really good. It's just tricky, but yeah, like I wouldn't mind getting any pop, just not something I don't know or don't like. Like, I don't want no, like, female one that I really don't know from, like, a show that I don't know, like Gilmore Girls or, I don't know, something like that. But, so the box, it's like this, came like this. Got some, I think this is, like, butcher paper. So, some butcher paper. I don't want to look in it, but I just want to check to see if it's there. Oh, okay, yeah, so I feel one, I feel two, I feel three. Okay, let's take this out. I don't look. Okay. Over there. Okay. All right. So, yep. They're like wrapped in these things, so I can't check anyway. So I'm just gonna take them all out. No, that's the three. Empty box. Okay, so 3 mystery boxes. Hopefully I get something good, something really, really good. All right, so let's go. All right, I'm not gonna look at all, but I don't want to like mess it up. So like, I think if they have like a pop shield or something, I don't know. I think actually all of them have pop shields. Yeah, this one has a pop shield. So I think they said they all have pop shields. So that means, oh, I don't want to show you guys either. So, not yet. But they all have pop shields. So even if it's a shitty one or a crappy one, then yeah. So check. This is the back, I think. Yeah. So ready? Kid Buu. I mean, it's not bad. I like Dragon Ball Z, but it's not terrible. Kid Buu. Yeah. I don't have any Dragon Ball Z ones, but yeah. All right, so to the next one. Okay. Not gonna look. Just gonna open. Actually, let me see. I can't even like that. All right. Not gonna look at all. So I really do want one of the Grails. I'm gonna be really sad if I don't get one. I like super sad, but like I really want one. This Kid Buu. I mean, it's not bad. This is not something I don't want. Like, I like it. I haven't seen Dragon Ball Z in forever, but it's not bad. So, second one. This is the back, I think. So, all right. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. What is it? Anything good? Anything good? Let me know. Okay. Oh. American history. Benjamin Franklin. A Benjamin Franklin, huh? That one's not bad. I mean, he got his little kite. You see the little kite? He got a little kite. That one's cool. Benjamin Franklin, huh? Alright. Alright. 2 down, 1 to go, and I didn't get anything good. Well, not anything not good, but like not too terrible. But last one. Hopefully. Cross my fingers. Hopefully something good. Alright, so let's get into this. And like, yep, open it. Oh, it's kind of tricky. Alright, let's see. Hopefully something good. So tricky. Alright. So that is the back. Okay. So we had a 3 in 1,000 chance to get the thing, because yeah, not 3 and it's 1,000. Okay, so let's hope. Ready? Is it? Oh, insane. Chris Kirkpatrick. I mean, it's cool. He got his little mic or whatever, but wait, does he have braids? What is that? Is that cornrows? I don't know what that is. Nah, but that's not bad. I mean, if I would have picked anyone from these, I probably would have I would have wanted like Justin Timberlake, because I actually know Justin Timberlake. Like, I know of him more than any of these. But yeah, so these are the 3 that I got from this mystery box. I can check the prices, like the value of it on the Funko app. So let's just do that. So I think Kid Buu. Yeah, this one. I think this is the one. Yeah, this one, Kid Buu, is PPG value of $8. Can't really. It's not zooming in. Okay. $8 for Kid Buu. Benjamin Franklin. See what his value is. Benjamin Franklin's PPG value is $9. $9 for the Benjamin Franklin. Looking not good. And for the Chris Kirkpatrick is, surprisingly, this one is $10. So I would say I got my money back on that one, but the other 2, not so much. But that's fine. I mean, out of all these, I would say the one I like the most would probably be the Benjamin Franklin, just because it's like a little bit more detail on him. He has his little like glasses and the kite and stuff. I mean, I like Kid Buu as well, but Chris Kirkpatrick, I don't know. But yeah, so that's the 3 I got. I do plan on getting some more, maybe from a different company. PopTopia's not bad. I mean, they gave me these nice pop protectors. I mean, I'm not gonna use it from this one, but yeah. So I definitely will do other mystery boxes. Hopefully. Until then, you know, enjoy this video. Like, comment, subscribe. Thank you.